Come with me to a cooking date with my best friend at Singapore's first Korean cooking studio. Let's Yori. Conveniently located at Tanjong Pagar, the studio caters to anyone who wants to learn how to whip up some authentic Korean dishes like the kimchi pancake, Korean fried chicken, or bibimbap and soondubu seafood soup, which is what we are going to make today. My best friend and I have made kimchi together before as we enjoy Korean food a lot, so this class is definitely for us to level up our skills. The instructor that was teaching our class was very patient and guided us step by step as we get to our own station to start cooking. The best part of cooking at a cooking studio is that the ingredients have already been prepared for you in advance and you don't have to do any dishes after. The most tedious part of making the bibimbap is the cutting of ingredients and having to cook them separately. We cook the dishes with ingredients all flown in from Korea, which really makes a difference in the taste, especially the gochugaru and sesame oil. We learned a few tips and tricks during the class as well on how to ensure the flavor comes out when you are cooking a Korean dish. After almost an hour plus, we finished up our 2 dishes and got to try them right after. Definitely recommend this studio for fun activity with your family, friends, and even for team bonding sessions. For booking of activities in Singapore, you can do so on Klook, and if you are interested to visit this cooking studio, you can use Susu Hui Hui promo code for 5% off your booking. Till the next time!